Welcome to Serpent River Park. It's actually just this little park off the edge. We came across this place last night. I was scanning down the road ahead of us and I was looking at, you know, what's on Google Maps, what are highlights hit, and there's these cool falls that are on the way. But you can't park at the falls. There's really no parking. It's just on the side of the road. But there's Serpent Park, which is right next to it. So then the next question is, can you park a big rig in Serpent Park? And the answer is yes, sort of, maybe.
Hey, we're Richard, Carma, Brooklynn, Braeden, and Acacia. We love to explore and share life as a family with all the adventures along the way. We hope to inspire you to chase your dreams by joining us in our crazy RV. Hello. We are on travel day number, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Travel day number 4. We have left Sault Ste. Marie and we are on our way to just west of North Bay to a campground that will be left unnamed because I don't remember it. Well, we've just pulled over on the side of the road to grab some tea and some snacks to keep going. It's sort of a drizzly, dreary day, which is okay for a travel day because we don't have any plans to do any stopping or exploring really. We're just trying to get there. So that's currently where we're at.
Unless they have a canoe rental when we get there.
Yeah, hopefully it's not dreary anymore.
It feels like a moose hunting day.
Oh yeah.
Our camper inverter doesn't, I think something's wrong with it, so it doesn't work when we don't, well, we're not actually plugged in, none of the plugins work, so taking some tea. I think I gotta start the truck for this though.
Okay. Got some snacks? Oh. Can't go in there yet. That's okay.
The chips. They can't get wet.
Well, they're still in the bag, Braeden.
Yeah, but I need to protect them.
Boiling the kettle.
Yes.
Yes! There. This is like mom.
Yeah, I know. They settle.
They settle.
Then the next question is, can you park a big rig in Serpent Park? And the answer is yes, sort of, maybe. We were able to. It's actually a pretty big space in here. On the map you can't see because the trees block the road, so you can't see how big it is. Normally when we look at Google Maps we look for, you know, is there a semi or a camper parked there already, because then we'll know, oh, we can fit there. And this is actually pretty open. The only spot that might be tight if you have a really big rig is around that corner over there. But technically I could back up into here if I had to get out. So we just parked right by the entrance here. Cars can get by. It's October, so there's no one here at all. I imagine it does get busier.
photos of them. Of the photos.
Oh, wow.
See?
Oh, yes. Very
See the
good.
river.
We don't have to take any photos anymore. All our social media is all these guys. Oh, this is a cool bridge.
Ooh, look at the water down there.
Feels a little slick under the feet, but it's pretty cool. Just off the parking lot, there's a trail, goes right back towards the highway, and you can follow that. It'll take you right down the highway, and it'll take you right to this boardwalk, which will take you under the bridge where you can see the main falls. I can imagine when there's enough water for the water actually to make it over here on the rocks on the left. That would just be absolutely beautiful. Right now we just have the water on the right and it coming over these rapids, but still pretty cool. Easily make it down here, it's just a short walk. Or apparently you can drive down here.
Cheers!
Bring the camper down here, no problem.
It's raining day, can't see the yellow lines anymore. The next exit has a church, then I know what I'm praying for. Set me free from the chains on my hands and feet I wear. It's like lusting for a woman who only wants a millionaire. She said, you know me, you can find me at the halfway cone by the old payphone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once. She said, you know me, you can find me at the halfway cone by the old payphone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Gatineau. No, not Gatineau. I don't know where we are. Gateway RV Park, I think. A little bit of sun out this morning, actually. The site was actually, I love when this happens, the site was so level that I didn't even have to unhook. Even though it didn't look like it was going to be. You guys did a good job. Looks beautiful. It was raining so much, and it's supposed to rain a little bit more today, but we're gonna peel out of here nice and early, heading over to Ottawa. So today, go over to Ottawa, and we're gonna chill in Ottawa for about 3 days. So hopefully we'll get to explore some of that area. At least that's the plan. We haven't heard back if we have a spot in Ottawa yet at the park we're going to stay at. So time will tell. For right now, let's start packing up. I built these a while ago. They're just 2x4s that go together. I have a 3-part one that goes on the front and just 2 on the back, and it works really good. I really like them. They also work great for blocking up if we ever need to change tires. Okay, let's see if we can get out of here without getting stuck.
Oh, I'm sure we're fine.
Your call has been been forwarded to a voicemail service that has not been initialized by the customer you are calling. The Rogers customer you are calling is not available at this time. When you reach the customer at a later date, please remind the customer to access their voicemail and
Hey, hopefully they're open even.
She said, you know me, you can find me at the highway cone by the old payphone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once. She said, you know me, you can find me at the highway cone by the old payphone. I'm a lover, not a runner, so I think I'll let you kiss me once.
So the campground we were going to stay at, they weren't picking up their phone. And we were calling last minute anyway, so Ottawa's Poplar Grove picked up the phone and they have a spot for us, so that's where we're headed. We can get out of this nasty parking lot that someone directed us to.
At least it's large enough to pull into. I can't help that it's muddy.
Yeah.
She didn't create it.
2 hours and 32 minutes.
On the street, I'm just smiling big at everybody. 2 more blocks and I'll be at your door. Overcome, brother, nothing keeps me melancholy. Spread my wings, so damn ready to soar. And there couldn't be a better taste. After everything I faced, I send a little luck my way. Send a little bright sun ray to hit my skin. A dream that I cannot erase. Keep it in a little case.
What happened
What happened to what?
in the back?
Oh, the pop. Not opened, but opened. I don't want to clean it up.
Did it spray around back
I
there?
don't know. Braeden found it.
One of our pops escaped.
Oh no!
What did it do back there?
Made a sticky ocean.
Oh, it's just everywhere.
Oh, it's not an ocean.
I see that game. There's lots of stuff.
Oh, it's sticky down here. Maybe you can't tell on camera, but the can was working its way around. It's having a party back here without us.
I am awesome, but Braeden is awesomer.
Oh, it's so hard.
Okay.
What are you making?
I'm making the shish kebabs.
Oh.
So I know we have frozen chicken, but it was like put it in the warm water to get it thawed. I know it won't marinate for very long, but I don't care. That's what we're having.
If we were on this, we'd have it marinating for days in our kitchen, but they're in our fridge.
Yeah.
But
For the like several hours.
our fridge has no room for such madness.
Not really. They're Poplar Grove.
Grove, Dad.
Never remember what the campground's called. Ottawa's Poplar Grove Campground. We're here and excited. I'm making some supper. According to Google Maps, in order to get here from our home base is like a day and 2 hours, so 26 hours driving. And RV time, you know, just add like 10 hours to that. It's left on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5 days. So it took us 5 days to get here, and we stopped at campgrounds all along the way. Our longest day was probably 11 hours drive, which was a pretty good hop to start things off with. We initially were going to break that into 2, but we ended up just doing it in 1. But now we're making some supper. And so we'll be hanging around Ottawa for a couple days and checking out some of the sites here, which we're excited about, as well as stopping for a couple days just to get our bearings before we head south and get some work done, because we've been neglecting work because we've been driving. So it'll be good to get all this done.
Truth be told is I've never felt better. And if I'm honest with myself, I am so glad we're together. Because this new state of mind that I've struggled to find can now be shared with you, because you showed me the light.